Hello, so you just upgraded your computer memory and something is not right. This video will review several problem areas to help you resolve your memory upgrade problem. Ask yourself these questions as you test your upgrade. When you press the power button, does it do anything? Is the power on self-test, or post, failing with beep codes if your system has a speaker that you have not heard before? Examples are a continuous beep or a long beep followed by short beeps. Stop at the BIOS screen and verify the expected amount of memory is detected. You can often get to the BIOS screen by pressing the delete key or F1 or F2. Check your system's documentation for the exact key. Does the system completely boot into the operating system? If so, verify the expected memory appears in the system properties. Remember, a 32-bit operating system will only use and display a little over 3 GB of memory, even though more is installed. Let us review some common upgrade issues. Do you have the correct type of memory for the system you are upgrading? SDRAM, DDR, DDR2, DDR3, etc. Is the memory upgrade the correct speed? Is it error correcting or not? And is it a valid size memory for your system? Are the modules installed in the correct memory sockets? Consult your system or motherboard documentation for the correct sockets to install the new memory in. Did the upgrade involve multiple memory modules? Try one module at a time and see if the system works. Swap in the other modules and verify that they work. Was the socket clear of foreign materials, i.e. dust, labels, wires, etc.? Use compressed air to blow dust out of the sockets. Was there a visible path to the memory socket? There are often air ducts, disk drives, and wire bundles in the way. If you can't see the socket, you probably did not get the memory installed correctly. Always document what you disassemble so that you can get it reassembled correctly. Are the modules seated correctly in the sockets? Are they the correct module type? Do the notches on the modules align with the socket correctly? Are they installed backwards? For desktops, some force is required to fully seat the module in the socket, but the force is not so great that something will break. The ejector tabs will push into the module when fully seated. For laptops, the modules pivot into the sockets. Insert the modules into a socket at about a 25-degree angle and press the module down into the metal tabs, which will snap into the module edges. After verifying these items, reseat the memory modules if they are the correct ones. Check your work and verify anything you disassembled is put back together properly. Power on and retest your system. And if it still does not work, it is possible you received a bad memory module. Please return it to the store and let us help you. We hope this video helped resolve your memory issues. Thank you for watching.